What up, y'all? Y'all already know what to do. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Without too much further ado, let's get into it.
So tonight I want to touch base on this little program I found that I think is cool. It's called The Line, FCK The Line, and this is like a sneaker stylist program. So let me just tell you a little bit about it. It's a subscription service for sneakers. They have a free version and they have a paid version. Basically, when you go on and sign up, they ask you a bunch of questions. They have you do a survey. They try to get the shoes that you like, that your style. They get as much information as they can, so they can set it up the way you would want it. I mean, they ask you to be as specific as possible. They even go as far as say that you like this shoe, say that you love this shoe. Like, for example, I love Jordan 1s, and I like Jordan 4s too. I don't like Adidas or runners. And they try to set the program up to fit your style, so they can really narrow down. They have a huge selection of shoes. They can really narrow down the selection to fit your style. They have older styles. I mean, like the Ewings they have, all the way up to the Carmine 6s that just came out today. They have a curator that goes through all of their sneakers, and he picks out a bunch of shoes that fit your personality and your profile. They send you the hand-selected shoes. They send you a monthly one for free, or you can get them weekly for $2.99. I mean, how can you go wrong for $2.99? They call these your virtual shoebox. They consider their program basically to be like your personal sneaker stylist. They're not resellers. Their goal is to get you the newest releases, as well as older releases for retail price. I mean, they're trying to put them in your hands at retail, so you don't have to use bots and you don't have to camp out. Obviously, that isn't always possible, but when it isn't possible, they still try to get it for you for market value or below. The weekly paid subscribers that pay the $2.99 will get 20 to 25 sneakers a week sent to them in their personal virtual shoebox, and you will be first in line for the quick strikes and exclusive drops. You'll receive more personal attention from your stylist. You get more access to collaborations and Dead Star shoes, and you also will get free shipping on any order from the line purchases. After you sign up and register and put your information in, man, they send you a selection of shoes usually within 24 hours. Sometimes it take up to 48 hours, but like, that's quick, man. They go through, they take all your information, and they pick out shoes specifically for your style within 24 hours, man. And then the free monthly box, so they'll send you every month 5 to 10 sneakers, and that's free. Like, how can you go wrong? And then with shipping, it's going to be $9.99. It's a flat rate, $9.99 per order, whether you order one shoe or 100 shoes. So, I mean, that's really not bad for free. When they send you the shoes that they picked out for you, when they send you those, you have 72 hours to buy them, or I don't want to say the deal expires, but they take it away and they'll send it to somebody else. So, I mean, a word to the wise, if there's something fire on there, jump on it, get it done quick, because they will pass it off after 72 hours. Orders are shipped by UPS ground, usually take 8 to 10 business days to get there. They ship all throughout the US and Canada, and they do accept returns on the newer releases up to 30 days. They do not accept returns on the older releases. And they will exchange if you order the wrong size and you want to get the right size. They will exchange them as long as you haven't been out running around in the mud with them. If you want to check out their program, it's FCKTHELINE.com. FCKTHELINE.com. And my suggestion would be, I mean, it's $2.99. You're not going to go wrong, man. Worst case scenario, you're out $3 and you cancel afterwards. But you also can go on, try it for free, get the 5 to 10 a month, see how you like it, and then if you like it and you think it's a good fit for you, then you go ahead and get the weekly subscription. You pay $2.99, which is nothing, man. I think this is a really cool program. I'm not sponsored by them. They don't know I'm doing this video. I just saw the program and thought it was cool, and I think it will help people. I think it will help you guys. Makes it easier. It's hard to get shoes with these bots out here now. I mean, you have to spend a bunch of money on a bot, or go camp out, or you can spend $2.99 and the line will handle the shit for you. So, thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, share. If you guys have heard of this site, comment down below. Let me know how it's worked for you, and just give me a feedback. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Until next time, I'm out.